Okay, our brownies took about 30 minutes in the oven, and you want to take those out and then you'll test them with a toothpick to make sure the toothpick comes out nice and clean, that it's not covered with brownie batter. Okay? Then the next step is you heat up the caramel that's still in your cup just about 20 seconds or so in these commercial microwaves, all right, and stir them, and it's still going to be thick but pourable, okay, more of a liquid. And we are going to pour that over the top of the brownies because you know there's just not enough sugar yet in these. And you want to kind of, you don't want to just pour it all in the middle. Spread it around, because now what we're going to do is basically frost the brownies with this caramel. Okay? So very gently, so you don't break the top of the brownie, you're going to spread this around. The best tool for this is a straight edge spatula, which is commonly used for frosting. And as you recall, these just came out of the oven, which is why the pan is still hot. Now, what we're going to do with these are now going to go into the refrigerator and set. And it takes about 2 hours in the refrigerator. And then we will be back to show you the finishing touches of these brownies. I'm going to scrape out just a little bit more caramel here. There's some places that are just a smidge thin. And again, these brownies are very hot, so they'll melt any caramel that's a little bit thick on there. Alright, so these will go into the refrigerator and we'll be back. Our caramel has set on top of our brownies. So what's nice about this is we can then take this foil and lift the brownies right out of the pan. Okay, so that makes for nice clean edges, and you're not going to destroy any brownies trying to get them out of the pan. Alright, so I pulled all of that down. Now, again, this recipe said that we should be getting 25 brownies out of this. I'm just going to go for 16. So I'm going to press 16 pecans into the brownies. Okay. And now that you've got 2 rows done, it's much easier then to fill them in. Okay, and I'm going to get some more whole pecan halves. That's kind of an oxymoron, isn't it? Whole half. Okay. Press those in. That one's broken. Now these would be, these might be ordered for a catering event. Okay. All right. And now you can just cut in between the brownies. Now that pulled some of that off. So what might help that is to get the knife wet with some hot water. But you just want the knife heated. So then you can go ahead and cut in between these. And then you can take your brownie and set it right into a muffin paper for presentation. Enjoy!